How to recover deleted Facebook photos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted Facebook photos. Now, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your ID. Now, if you are logged into your ID, you'll get an interface like this that you can see on the screen right now. And once you log in and go to this home interface, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen just below the messaging icon. And from here, head over to settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can see on the screen, or you can scroll down and you can go to settings and privacy, and from there you can head to settings. Now, once in settings, if you scroll all the way down below, you'll get the option download your information under your information. Now tap on it. You can see that you can request a copy of all your information here. Now you can unselect the files that you don't want, but you can select all, or if you just want your pictures and your posts, then you can just tap on your posts, your pages and profiles, and your stories and your reels. Now if you scroll down all the way below, you'll get an option to create file. Now tap on it and your file should be created here, and it will take some time for your file to be created for Facebook. So once it is created, they'll notify you, and from there they'll provide you the link and you can download it. Now once you downloaded it, you can access your photos by going through the file. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.